Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the digital frame is on and connected to Wi-Fi, and you have Frameo installed on your phone. Once done, power the frame until it shows the 6-digit frame ID. Write that down or keep the screen visible. Next, open the Frameo app on your phone, sign in if needed, and tap the Send Photo or Plus button. This begins the pairing and transfer workflow, so don't skip showing the frame ID when prompted. Now you select the images to send. Pick one or several from your camera roll, crop or rotate each image to match the frame's orientation, and tap Next. Then enter the 6-digit frame ID shown on the frame or scan the on-screen QR if available. The frame will prompt for approval. Make sure to add an optional short message and choose display options like favoritizing or duration. After reviewing, tap Send and watch the app report progress as the frame accepts the photos. Finish by confirming delivery on the frame. Open Recent or Incoming and verify your photos and message appear. If they don't, stop and check common issues. Ensure both devices are online, you entered the correct 6-digit ID, and the Frameo app has permission to access photos. Once verified, restart the app or reboot the frame and try again. Often that clears hiccups. If problems persist, ask the frame owner to accept pending transfers on their device so your photos can complete the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.